Hey guys, I'm showing you this Kudu store magnetic tiles for kids toys. So this is a STEM magnet toys for toddlers, magnetic building blocks, preschool learning, is a sensory or the toys for any 3+ year old boys and girls, safe material for their creativity. So these are like the trend these days now with the magnetic blocks so that the kids will feel really nice, adjustable. Is a 40 pieces, and as you can see the booklet is provided to show you different designs that you can make with kids. Very nice colorful tiles, the magnetic tiles. And the good thing is, like you can see, it have magnets all on the corners with a full plastic. It's not like the gap in between, it's a full plastic uh, design. So this increase the concentration and focus or critical thinking, problem solving. But it's a fun for kids to make different designs with it. And these are like the tile puzzles. So see, like all the magnets in the corner and the full plastic on the top. So most of the time the other brands or the other pieces have like the holes in it, now only the magnet in the corner, but this is the full tiles, so it's much better. And you can use on any metallic surface if you want to, like fridge or whiteboard. So you can use like make different things with the different stuff, and it comes in all different sizes, like the window size or the door thing, or this one, or the full square or the triangles. So it's pretty much a good learning thing for the kids. It's bp free, so safe for the kids. And as a fun making design. See, like all the different design, like the doors, like the full squares. And this is how you can use, and this also comes with a storage bag, so after playing the kids can store them in this bag. It's nice that they will not lose that and then play nicely with it. So this is how my kids are actually enjoying and making all the different designs with it. So this is sticking, and the magnetic strength is powerful, that I can see, or you can see in the video. It's pretty much nice, and holding it well, the shapes. And you can make all the different things from it. So the book is really helpful to give ideas on the designs, and then they enjoy and learn from them. So this is a fun for the kids to enjoy with it, make all the different creativities, whatever they have in their mind, and then use it the way they want. So more tiles, more fun, have good time with the kids playing with this, and hopefully your kids will also like and enjoy this nice magnetic tiles to have fun and yeah, enjoy their creativity.